Excel has a nifty feature that's really useful if perhaps you haven't worked with pivot tables before and maybe don't know what you want your pivot table to look like. So first of all, what is a pivot table? Well, a pivot table takes a list of data in Excel and enables you to present it in a way that is more meaningful. So to summarize data, I guess the easiest way to understand it is to show you quickly how you can do a pivot table without really having to do anything in Excel. So the first thing you need to do is be positioned on your data. And if you go to the Insert tab, there's an option here called Recommended Pivot Tables. And what it offers up here is a range of pivot tables that could be useful as a place to start. So maybe you want some of the orders by state, some of the order amounts by client, some of the order number by client. Probably one of these two is the most logical one to choose. So rather than you having to do anything or create anything, you can simply click on one of these and choose OK, and Excel will automatically generate a quick and easy pivot table for you.